Hiya and welcome to Itsy Crafty. Today I'm having a look at the Cricut Foil Transfer sheets. These are the sheets that Cricut have produced for foiling with their foil transfer tool. I'm going to look at the different packs that I've purchased, which include all of the colours currently available by Cricut, and then I'm going to have a look at the results of the foil on both black and white cardstock. So if you're interested in seeing this, stay tuned. These are the Cricut Foil Transfer sheet packs that you can purchase at the moment. You can only buy 8 different colours so far, but I'm sure more colours will come out. You can buy 12 by 12 inch sheets, and in these you can purchase gold or silver. With the 12 by 12 inch sheets, there's 8 sheets of foil in each pack, and they're a nice large scrapbook page size, so great for big designs. This is the silver and this is the gold, and I'm loving the more sustainable packaging. You can store your foil in these packs, and there's this reusable tab here, and then if you just slice through the tape on the side, you can access everything in the pack. So the pack has the tape for holding the sheets. So you've got 2 large pages with the 12-inch strip tape in there. So that tape just peels up, and that's for taping the side of the foil to the material that you're going to foil. And then you've got your 8 foil sheets in here. And then you've got sampler sheets with foil in a 4 by 6 inch size. There's also a 3rd sampler sheet pack you can purchase, but it just has the gold, the silver and the rose gold in it, and rose gold is in this pack. So I've just purchased these 2 separately. And this one here is the jewel sampler. And same thing, everything just sits in here with minimal packaging. So you've got quite a lot of sheets of the tape to tape the foil down, and then you've got the foil itself. This is an emerald colour. You have 8 sheets of each colour, so 24 sheets in a pack altogether. You've got the emerald, which is a lovely Christmassy green, a purple, and a blue, which is called an aqua. So we'll see these in action soon. I'm going to foil on black and white cardstock so we can see what they look like. And then this is the ruby sampler, and it has the tape and then the different colours of foil. So another 8 sheets of each colour. You've got the pink, which is a fuchsia. You can see that there, fuchsia. And then you've got the rose gold. And red. When you go into Cricut Design Space and you look at the foil colours, which are an option, you can see you only have the 8 colours here. So they're the 8 colours that I've just looked at. I'm sure Cricut will come up with more foil colours as time goes on, but for the moment this is all that we have. In Cricut Design Space I've created a project using all of the 8 different foil colours. I've used the medium foil tip for creating these, and I'm going to make each of these on a black cardstock and on a white cardstock. The cardstock that I'll be foiling is this 65 or 176 GSM cardstock paper from Recollections. For the foil transfer, I need to load the Cricut Foil Transfer tool into the B-clamp. This blue one here is the foil transfer tool. It has 3 different tips on it. I have an unboxing and first project video if you'd like to watch that. But just to summarise, the one with the 2 lines on it here is the medium tip. So I'll just drop that in and pop the foil transfer tool in there. I've prepared my mat here with the cardstock, and on top of the cardstock I've taped the foil. I've tried to put the foil as smoothly as possible using the tape that comes in the foil packs. And that's now finished, so it's foiled and cut these rectangles for me. And now what I'm going to do is I'll do the same with the other colours of foil, and then we'll have a look at all of them together. And here we have the 8 Cricut foil colours and the sample cards I've made on cardstock. The colour you end up with on the cardstock is very much the colour that you see the foil. For example, here's the rose gold. And then here's the rose gold foil. This being a pressure sensitive foil, you're basically just pushing this foil down onto the cardstock. So you pretty much would expect the colours to be like that. But I am happy to report that the tool seems to transfer the foil really well. I've had a little bit of skipping in some of the parts here. I'm not too sure what is causing that, whether that's because my foil wasn't completely smooth. I think I need to experiment more and play with it. Perhaps I'll just show you a bit closer up and try and catch the light so you can see the foiled cardstock. So this is the emerald, the gold, silver, and this is the medium tip with the foil transfer tool. Here we've got purple. It's a little bit hard to catch the light. Fuchsia. I'm using just the light by a window. I'm sitting right by a window here. There's red. The red didn't actually foil all that well, as you can see there. It didn't seem to, I don't know what happened with the red at all. I did everything just the same. And then here we've got the aqua. I'm super happy with these 8 colours, but I do hope that Cricut come out with some more colours in the future. I have a heat sensitive foil range, and I have a huge amount of colours and shades of the same colour in that range. And it would be good, given the ease of using the Cricut Foil Transfer tool, if we could get a lot of different foil colours to use with the tool. I am going to experiment with foils that I have. I have other brands of foils, and I will do an experiment to see if other foils can work with the Cricut Foil Transfer tool. For the moment, I hope you've enjoyed looking at the different colours of the Cricut foil and the different packs, and maybe it's given you some idea of what you'd like to purchase and play with. I hope you've got some inspiration to create now, and thanks so much for joining me. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me, and maybe I'll see you in my next video. Bye!